How to endorse Scotia Bank cheque. Look at the back of the cheque. There will usually be a designated area marked for endorsement. This is usually a box or a set of lines near the top of the back of the cheque. It may say, "Endorse here," or something similar. Using a pen, sign your name within the endorsement area. Make sure your signature matches the name on the front of the cheque. If you want to deposit the cheque directly into your bank account, you might write for deposit only and then your account number below your signature. This is called a restrictive endorsement. If you are just depositing or cashing the cheque at your own bank, Scotia Bank, a simple signature should suffice. You can now either deposit the cheque using a mobile banking app, at an ATM, or by visiting a Scotia Bank branch. Thanks for watching.